Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, I will show you how to make gram flour bhajia. The ingredients are garlic and ginger paste 1 spoon, 1 carrot, 1 onion, coriander, salt, 1 spoon baking powder, water, and gram flour. To the gram flour, add salt and baking powder 1 spoon and mix well. Then add coriander, garlic and ginger paste, 1 chopped onion, and carrot. Then mix well. Then keep adding water until the mixture becomes thick. Your mixture should be like this. Then start cooking your bhajias and make sure the flame is not high so that the bhajias can cook inside. Once your bhajias have turned into a good color, golden brown, you can remove them and put on a plate with tissue so that the oil will get into the tissue. The bhajias are ready. You can serve them with tomato sauce, chutney, or waju. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share.